My friends at Carbide Processors asked me if I could try out some of their tools for them and show you guys. I was like, yeah, I could do that. So what we have today is the Triton 20-volt drill driver and impact driver. If you haven't heard of Triton yet, it ranks among all the top brands and is usually priced a little less. So I've been using the drill now for about 3 weeks in the garage, and I like the torque. It's comparable to other 20-volt drills that I've used. I really like the size of the battery. It's not big and bulky like some other brands. I'm not really going to go into the detail on the drill's capabilities, because it's a drill and it does what drills do best. What I want to try with you today is the impact driver. Let's go see what it can do. Alright, let's see how many of these 3-inch deck screws I can drive into this 4x4 post. Alright, that was a lot of work. That was 333 3-inch deck screws driven into a 4x4 post. This thing did great. The first battery drove in 264 of those screws. The second battery drove in the remaining 69 and removed all 333 screws. Still has lots of life left in her. I was using the Weehaw Torx bits. Held up really nice. I did change it out midway through removing all of them just to get a nice fresh grab on them. Anyways, these are great tools, and you can go to Carbide Processors and find these and a whole lot more. They have all sorts of brands to choose from. Lots of tools for your garage or your work. I highly recommend going there, and hopefully they send me something else to show you, and I'll be looking forward to that. And thank you all for tuning in. Till next time.